Hello, welcome to the Codeigniter basic tutorial part 2. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use controller in Codeigniter to retrieve data from model and pass to a view. First of all, I will create the item controller. In step 1, open any HTML editor and paste the code and save the file under controller folder. Now save the file under controller folder. File name will be items. Okay, and there is a constructor which is calling the parent constructor and an empty index method. Now go for the step 2, create the database company using the command create database company. Go to PHP-MyAdmin, click on SQL and paste the code. Our company database is created. Now create the table under company database. Select the company database and click on SQL tab and create the table. Okay, our items table is created. The table has 6 fields: ID, name, type, unit, price, and date. Now insert some records into the table. Just select the database and again go to the SQL tab and paste the code for inserting data. Okay. Now our item table has 3 records. Now go for step 4 to modify the database.php file to connect with our database company. Database.php file is under application config folder. Here, database connection is previously created company. So if your database is with different name, just modify this section. Okay, now go for step 5, add the necessary library and model file to the controller. Okay. Go to the controller and after the parent constructor, add these 3 lines. First line URL, which I have explained in my previous tutorial, which is used to use the redirect method, and this is our controller name, model name that I will create now, and this controller will retrieve the records from the item table, and the database method is called to connect with the database company. Okay, save the file and go for the next step, step 6. Step 6 is to add the index and view item method in the controller. So I will replace the existing method of index with the new one, and this is our new method, which call redirect method to go to the or call the method view items of controller. Okay, view items method will retrieve all records from the model which is loaded here using the method get all items, and after retrieving all record, it will store in item list data variable, and this variable will pass to the view all users, which will be created under view folder. So now I have to create the model, item model, and a view file, view all users. Save the file and create a new PHP file, and create the model under model folder, and model file name will be item_model. now create the view file, and it should be a issue file, and view file name is view all user, and we should be saved under view folder. Okay, our model file and view file is created. Now I will add code for these two files by using next step. Step 7, which contains the code for model. This is item model, and here are two methods: constructor method and a method which I have used in my controller, get all items, which retrieve all records from item table that I have created in my previous steps. Get all items, which will retrieve using get method, and this is the table name that I have created before items. And save the file and go for step 8 to create the view file. And this is the view. Here you can see $item list is used, which will arrive from here. The index what that you use here in the data variable will be used here. And now rows count the total number of records retrieved by the get query. And if the record number is 1 or more, then it will execute these parts, which will display the table title and the record values retrieved from the item steps. So save the file, and after getting all records, it will print the output in the browser in tabular form. So now I can run the or test the code and go to the browser and type the path. Localhost CI index.php and items is our controller name. Here you can see the records data are retrieved from here, and these 3 records are here. If I insert a new one, item name, milk, beta, type milk, unit 1 liter, price 165. Okay, so if I browse the table, I can see there are 4 records, and if I refresh the page, you can also see new entries are there. In this way, you can implement the other database function like insert, update, or delete. Hope you will try this code, and thank you for watching.